IWLA brings together its members to share information and to learn about things that are important for the industry. One place that we do that each year is a fall event that combines different disciplines. This year we are having a trifecta in Greenville, South Carolina that is focused on warehouse safety, warehouse technology, and marketing your third-party warehousing services. We also have a trade show for partners to come and show how their services and products can help warehouses succeed. The great thing about having options in Greenville this fall is that you can focus on what is important for your warehouse today. We're really excited this year to introduce the IWLA Marketing Workshop. In the past, IWLA has put marketing as part of its other events, but this is the first time in over a decade that we have truly focused on marketing 3PL services. The industry has changed a lot in the 10 years since we've offered this course, and social media was not that important. Integrated marketing was a term, but not really being used. This workshop is hands-on. You will be sharing ideas. You will be seeing truly practical applications that other warehouses have done to succeed. So if you're ready to do that in your warehouse, you need to be at the marketing workshop. Obviously, safety will be important no matter what, but the Safety and Risk Conference is created for and by members of the IWLA Insurance Company, which is a subset of 65 of our members that have come together to shift and share risk, but they also are focused on making that safety first in their warehouses, and all members are invited to attend. Technology is the secret sauce. If you are not hammering down your technology and ready for what's new tomorrow, you're going to be behind for your customers. So the Warehouse Technology Conference really focuses on using the technology you have today, grappling with AI implications, embracing automation, and being prepared to teach your employees how to work together with technology to make your warehouse even better. It's remarkable what the technology can do, and we understand how third-party logistics needs to apply today's technological innovations. Our niche and IWLA's specialty in all of these areas is that we understand third-party warehousing. So the approach to IWLA education is for your business. I will be in Greenville, South Carolina, September 7th and 8th. I really hope you will too. You should register today at IWLA.com. If you have any questions, we're always here at mail@IWLA.com. I hope to see you there.